My name is Saivanavi from grade 8 Sunshine. In our social science class, natural resources and their use, we did as an outdoor activity. Today we are going to present as a video. The earth has treasure, many of which have formed over millions of years and which humans have taken and learned to use. These include most obvious ones like air, water and soil.
In many indigenous traditions of world, nature is considered as sacred. In such traditions, nature is nurtured and nourished.
One of the way we should categorize natural resources based on their use and renewability. We put them together for life source energy.
Renewable resources exhibit these characteristics over time. Most of India has abundant sunshine. Ecosystem functions and ecosystem services. Nature has some inherent ways of working. For example, trees naturally produce oxygen.
A mature tree produces about 275 liters of oxygen per day. A human being needs about 350 liters of oxygen every day.
Non-renewable resources are created over a long period that they cannot be replenished at the rate we use them. For example, fossil fuels. Natural resources are not evenly distributed across our planets or within a country. Industries located in natural resources create employment opportunity from the local people.
Indian society showed adaptability and resilience in rebuilding towns, cities, temples and other aspects of our economy.
Natural resources are materials and substances that occur in nature and are valuable for human needs. There are different ways of categorizing resources. Non-renewable and renewable are best categories.
Thank you for our social science teacher for giving this outdoor opportunity to take this video.
Hope you all like this video.
Thank you.